Channel Brahma Yoga. So in this first class of the beginners yoga, we will learn about the warm-ups. First we'll do the warm-ups, and then why warm-up is needed. The warm-up is needed to prevent the injuries in the body. As while we'll do the yoga, the flexibility is needed, and to prepare the body for those asanas, the warm-up is needed. So in this first class, we will only do the warm-ups. There are many kinds of warm-ups which will be needed in every yoga class. In every place this will be required. This is the first thing we will do. In every video this is the first thing. So let's start. For this you will need a yoga mat. Any mat you can take, rubber mat also will work, or a cotton mat. Cotton mat will be better as it absorbs the sweat better and it is easy to clean. So let's start the warm up with me. Okay, so place the hands here. Now with slow breathing, we'll do the neck up and down. While doing the neck up and down, while doing the neck up, we will slowly take the air, and while coming down, we will release the air slowly. So let's start. We will do 12 rounds of it. Now from side to side. Normal. Now let's rotate the neck. Do it really slowly. Now from other side. So the neck is free. Now we'll free up the arms. We'll rotate the arms. 12. Now we'll free up the wrist like this. Take the fist, like open your hands. Now make the fist like this. You see? Now rotate it slowly. For 12 rounds, we'll do this also. Now we will rotate the belly. First from this side, from the right side we'll do slowly 12 rounds. No rushing. Okay. So now the legs. If you can lift like this, then okay. If not, then take the support of the wall. Slowly lift the legs like this while supporting with the wall. Like this, we lift it up. Slowly we lift it up and hold in here only. We'll hold it. If you have any wall by side, hold it. Take the support of the wall. Slowly, when you feel the balance, slowly try not to take the support of wall and do it by balancing the body like this. We'll hold it for a few seconds. Now, slowly down. Now the left leg. Up, hold it. Try to take it near your chest. Try to how much you can take it near your chest. This will increase the hip flexibility. Like this. This is good for your hips and also increases your balance, which we will need in yoga. Now again take up the right leg. Now we will rotate the ankle. Now from left leg. Now the knees. We will rotate the knees from left to right, then again right to left. Both 12 rounds. Keep the breathing natural. This is the warm up. So in this the full body have been warm up. The arms, the legs, the back. Now we'll do the stretching of the back. Like this. Open your legs wide like this. Slowly lean towards the back. Keep the breathing natural. Hold it. Now, spread the legs wide. how much you can split the legs. It doesn't matter how much you can take the help of the ground. Try to split it. How much you can. Then hold it like this. Hold it like this for a few seconds. If we do this continuously for many days, your hip flexibility will increase. Now get up. Now we will do the toe touch. How we will do? Split the legs. Not much wide, like this. Lean down. Try to see the back of the knee. Now we will touch the leg like this. See the hand up. This is my right hand. Near the left leg, on the left leg. And we will see the hand right. Like this. Slowly come. Slowly do it a few rounds. After you do the practice of this for a few days, means about a month, then you can fast forward this. Yes. Now we have did it very slowly. When after 3 months like this, when you will practice this continuously, you can increase this speed like this. Lean down. Like this, but this is very advanced. In the beginning, don't do this. The body may be unstable. So these are the warm-ups. This we will do in the every yoga video. This will be needed. I made a separate video for this, as this will not be continued in every video. So do this nicely. Open your hips, open the body, make the body flexible. If the body will be flexible, the yogas will be easy. Injuries will be less. This is the backbone of every yoga. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, as this is the first video and many videos will come in the future, so you don't miss any video. Subscribe this channel, and if you like the video, like it. This is the first day of beginners yoga. From the second day, we will do the stretchings. Means we will open up the joints We'll stretch it, increase the flexibility more. We'll increase the, we will learn the flexibility asanas. Increase the flexibility, which will help you to move forward in the next higher asanas, which will need more flexibility. So for that, this is, so meet you in the next video. Thank you. Namaste.